Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to download Microsoft 365 using Developer Program. This process is completely free, and I am using it too from past 1 year without any issue.
Open any browser, and search for Microsoft Developer Program. Click on the very first link that says Developer Program. You will get instant sandbox for 90 days, sample data packs and so many other things. Don't worry about that 90 days, the same will continue to work after 90 days. Click on Join Now. You should be having the Microsoft account. If you do not have it, just click on Create One. Click Next. Enter password. Stay signed in, click Yes or No. Then fill out the form. Enter your country, company name and preferred language. You can put any existing or non-existing company names. Click on the check boxes and next page just select your country name. Here, select the apps that you are interested to work on. Click Save. Here choose Configurable Sandbox and click on Next. Username would be same as company name, domain name would be the same. Enter the password, confirm it. Make sure to copy the entire ID and paste it in Notepad and save it. Click Continue. Now enter your mobile number. Get the code. And I suggest, you should only use legit number here in order to log in, cause Microsoft ask most of the time for OTP for login and verification. So you have got your own Microsoft 365 account with 25 activated licenses. Click on Go to Subscriptions, just log in again using the ID that was saved before and the passcode. Here, we are inside the Microsoft 365 dashboard. On top right you will find the Install Apps option. Click on Microsoft 365 Apps and save the setup file. Go to the designated folder and double-click to install it. Wait for it to complete the setup. Now since the setup has been installed, let's click on Search and find the Microsoft 365 application. Log in again to complete the setup and boom. Here you have the complete licensed version, and that too for completely free. If you think this deserve a like, please like and subscribe to the channel for learning data analytics and tutorial videos.